Okay, here is our soccer game, and I'm really far away, but it's still exciting.
We're in the box seat.
We are in the box seat. We're in Renee's window. Hi, Renee. And those are the Chiefs seats down there. They cannot see like anything practically because there are trees. And the trees, we decided this is pinball soccer because they hit the trees occasionally / often. And those trees form a nice little goal box. How convenient. I'm pretty sure that's probably what they had in mind when they planned out the Abbey Gardens. Shut up. I speak the truth. Stop laughing at me. And I don't know that you can really see anything, really. I could zoom in more, but then I'd have to move my camera more, and it would just be a big old mess. You can see the people with dark shirts on. Okay, I'm gonna